Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. I am so happy to see you here today. My name is Anna and I am feeling very enthusiastic. The sun is shining today and it is a beautiful day to learn English. How are you today? I hope you are feeling wonderful and very happy.
Hello, Anna. Hello, friends. I am Tom, and I am very happy to be here with you too. Today, the weather is a little bit cloudy, but I feel very good in my heart. I am happy because we are together to practice English. Learning is a journey, and we are walking together.
That is true, Tom. We are a big family here. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel. It is very important for us. Also, please give us a like and write a comment. We love to read your comments. Do you like the weather today? Tell us in the comments.
Yes, please subscribe. It helps us a lot. Today, we have a very special topic. It is a topic for the heart and for the mind. We are going to talk about making mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. I make mistakes, Anna makes mistakes, and you make mistakes too. And that is okay.
Exactly, Tom. Making a mistake is normal. It is part of being human. Today, we want to help you feel better when you make a mistake. We want to use easy English to talk about our feelings. Tom, tell me, how do you feel when you make a mistake?
Oh, Anna, when I make a mistake, I feel a little bit sad. Sometimes I feel embarrassed. My face gets red. I think, oh no, I did something wrong. It is a heavy feeling in my stomach. For example, yesterday I dropped a glass of water. The glass broke into many pieces.
I understand that feeling, Tom. When you dropped the glass, what was the first thing you thought? Were you angry with yourself?
Yes, I was a little bit angry. I thought, Tom, you are so clumsy. Why did you do that? I felt bad for a few minutes. The water was on the floor, the glass was on the floor. It was a mess, a big mess in my kitchen.
I am sorry to hear that, Tom, but remember, it was just a glass. It is important to be kind to yourself. Friends, are you kind to yourself when you make a mistake? It is important to say, it is okay. Mistakes are not the end of the world.
You are right, Anna. You are very wise. After I dropped the glass, I stopped. I took a deep breath. I told myself, Tom, be calm. You can clean this. I started to feel a little bit better. Breathing is very important.
Yes, let's practice breathing now. Everyone, breathe in and breathe out. Again, breathe in and breathe out. This helps the brain. When we make a mistake, our brain is fast and loud. Breathing makes the brain slow and quiet.
That feels much better, Anna. Thank you. Now I want to ask you something. You are a very good English teacher. Do you ever make mistakes in English or in your life?
Oh yes, Tom. I make mistakes every day. Sometimes I say a word wrong. Sometimes I forget my keys. One time, I went to the supermarket and I forgot my money. I felt very silly. I was at the front of the line and I had no money.
Oh no, that is a classic mistake. What did you do? Did you cry? Did you run away?
I didn't cry, but I wanted to. My heart was beating fast. But then I looked at the cashier. I said, I am very sorry. I made a mistake. I forgot my wallet at home. The cashier was very kind. She said, don't worry, it happens to everyone.
That is a very nice cashier. So you see, friends, most people are kind. When we make a mistake, we should speak. We should say, I am sorry, or I made a mistake. Communication is very important in English and in life.
Yes, Tom, speaking is key. If you are learning English and you say a word wrong, don't stop. Keep speaking. The person listening usually understands. They want to help you. We are all friends here.
I agree. I have a question for our listeners. What was a mistake you made recently? Did you forget something? Did you say something wrong? Please write it in the comments. We want to read your stories. Practice your English with us.
That is a great idea. Writing about mistakes helps us feel better. Now, Tom, let's talk about the next step. After we breathe and we talk, what do? We need to learn, right?
Yes, Anna. Every mistake is a lesson. A mistake is like a teacher. When I broke my glass, I learned something. I learned that I need to be more careful when my hands are wet. Now I dry my hands before I pick up a glass.
That is a perfect example. You learned a lesson. I learned a lesson at the supermarket too. Now I always check my bag for my wallet before I leave the house. I touch my bag and I say, wallet? Yes. Keys? Yes. Phone? Yes.
You are very organized now. So the mistake made you better. This is what we call growing. We grow when we learn from our errors. In English, we say practice makes perfect, but I like to say practice makes progress.
I love that, Tom. Practice makes progress. That is so beautiful. Progress is better than perfect. Perfect is impossible, but progress is possible for everyone. Every day we learn a new word, we make progress.
Exactly. If you make a mistake with a verb today, tomorrow you will remember the correct verb. The mistake is the reason you remember. The brain remembers things that are difficult.
That is very true. Now, let's talk about feelings again. Sometimes a mistake is big. Sometimes we hurt someone's feelings. That is more difficult than breaking a glass. What do you do then, Tom?
That is a serious situation, Anna. When I hurt a friend by mistake, I feel very heavy in my heart. I think about it all night. I can't sleep. My heart feels small and sad.
I know that feeling. It is a very human feeling. It shows that you are a good person. You care about your friends. The first step is to be honest. Go to your friend and say, I am sorry, I made a mistake.
Yes, saying I am sorry is very powerful. It is a short sentence, but it is very big. In English, we use it a lot. I am sorry for my mistake. I apologize. These words are like medicine for a friendship.
They are, and then you must forgive yourself. This is the hardest part. Sometimes we are very mean to ourselves. We say, I am bad or I am stupid, but that is not true. You are a good person who made a mistake.
You are right, Anna. We need to be our own best friend. If your friend made a mistake, you would say, don't worry, I love you. We need to say that to ourselves, too. Tom, I forgive you. Let's try again tomorrow.
That is very moving, Tom. I feel very emotional now. It is important to be kind. Friends, please be kind to your hearts. You are doing a great job learning a new language. It is not easy, but you are here.
Yes, you are here and we are proud of you. Let's review some words we used. We used mistake, error, sorry, forgive, breathe, and learn. These are very good words for your vocabulary.
And also angry, sad, embarrassed, and happy. These are feeling words. It is good to describe how you feel. If you feel frustrated with English, say, I feel frustrated. It is okay to feel that way.
And then after you say it, you will feel lighter, like a bird. I want to feel like a bird every day. A happy bird that learns English.
Me too, Tom. A happy bird with a big smile. We are reaching the end of our conversation today. I hope this helps our friends to feel better about their mistakes. Mistakes are just small steps on a long road.
Thank you, Anna, for this conversation. I feel very calm now. And thank you, friends, for listening. Remember to like this video and share it with a friend who needs some encouragement today.
Yes, share the love, and don't forget to subscribe. We want to see you in our next video. We will continue to learn, to grow, and to laugh together.
Have a wonderful day, everyone. See the sun, breathe the air, and be happy. You are amazing.
Goodbye, everyone. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Goodbye. Take care.